Good day, everyone. I want us to discuss how to find the radius of parallel of latitude. Follow me. Let us do it together. All right. The radius of parallel of latitude can be calculated using this formula. All right. So where small letter r is equals to what? Radius of parallel of latitude. Can you see that? Latitude. Radius of parallel of latitude. All right. So the capital letter R, I've said that one before. It is what? Radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. Can you see that? Radius of the earth. All right. Y theta is what? The latitude. Y alpha, not theta. Y alpha is the what? Y alpha is what the latitude is of latitude. Can you see that? All right, so if we are looking for radius or parallel of latitude, we apply this formula, which says that small letter r is equals to capital letter R cos alpha. Can you see that? Where small letter r is radius of parallel of latitude, capital letter R is what? Radius of the earth, and alpha is what? The latitude itself. All right, so let us use this now and solve an example so that you understand it better. We have example 1. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says find the radius of the parallel of the latitude 50 degrees north, given that capital letter R, which is radius of the earth, is 6,400 kilometers. We have solution like this. Solution. All right, I don't have much space here. Let me continue over here. I told you earlier that this radius can be calculated using this formula. We have like this. And from what I stated here, this means the radius that you are looking for. This capital letter R is the radius of what? The earth. And the alpha is what? The latitude itself. When you look at this now, you notice that we don't know this. So R is question mark. We know this one is 6,400. And we know this one. We know alpha. Alpha, the latitude they gave us here is what? Is 50 degrees north. Can you see that? So the only unknown the only unknown we have here is what? Small letter r. So we substitute. We say that r, using here, in place of capital letter R, you write what? 6,400. Then you have cos. In place of alpha, you write what? 50 degrees. Can you see that? 0.6428, like this. So cos 50 degrees is 0.6428. So we now say 6,400 times 0.6428. That will give us 4,114. We have kilometers like this. Can you see that? That is how it can be solved. It is not difficult. Let us solve another example. Example 2. All right, we have example 2. Example 2 says find the radius of the parallel latitude of point P, which is 48 degrees south and 56 degrees east. All right, we have solution like this. I told you that this can be calculated using the formula. We have this one. We have cos alpha like this. All right, so this alpha, I told you, it means latitude. You know, latitude can either be what? North or south. Longitude can either be what? East or west. So anyone that has north here or south, that is our what? Latitude. This one is longitude. We don't need it. Look at the one we need here. All right, so we are looking for this. I told you that this is always what? 6,400. As you can see in this question, they did not give us the value. That means that you need to know that this means what? 6,400, but because it is not always given to you, like here is a typical example. It is not given, but I know that it means what? 6,400. So you need to know it also. So we have this one to be, we have cos. The latitude we have here is this one that has south. Either it has south or it has north. The one that has east or west is longitude. So the latitude here is 48. we have 48 degrees here. Can you see that? We have this. We don't have much space here. I will clean this place and continue over here. All right, we have the R is equals to, we have 6,400. All right, cos 48 degrees will give us 0.6691 like this. Can you see that? So we now multiply 6,400 by 0.66. When you multiply this, we are going to have the R is equals to, we have 42. All right, when you have 6,400 times 0.6691, it will give us the R is equals to 4,284.24 kilometers. All right, but often we approximate to the nearest whole number. That means that we are going to have the R is equals to, we have 4,284 kilometers. Can you see that? All right, so that is how this can be solved. It is not difficult. Remember, this is Engineer Kene tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.